before I get the rest of my jerk seasoning on. So my jerk seasoning has been blended up. My chicken, pork roast all blended up. Yeah, I got my jerk chicken going now. Steady, it's looking real good. I gotta do my jerk on the charcoal side now. Can't do the gas with my jerk. Just like the charcoal. Got all my onion skins and garlic skins and all that stuff down in there, adding some more flavor up under there. Making I could just drop some minced leaves in that baby. That's a good look, coming on real good here. Barbecue jerk pork. Some jerk chicken. And barbecue jerk chicken. Yeah. Jerk is looking good.